I don't want to take a bath, Daddy.
He's 3 days old, getting his first bath.
I don't want to take a bath.
You dirty boy.
Oh, my sweet boy. You gonna cry? You gonna cry? You're alright, big boy. You okay?
Well, yawn.
I know you're angry, but we have to take a bath.
We have to clean that dirt.
Let's check his... What do you think, dirty or not dirty?
Not dirty.
What should we do about his weenie?
Belly button?
His weenie.
I don't know. That's gonna burn.
You're alright, big boy. Oh.
Take him off.
You okay? Don't poop.
Take him in there where it's warm.
You okay, big boy? You alright? Daddy won't hurt you. Yes, sir.
I don't know. I really don't want to get it wet.
His weenie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's warm in here, right, big boy? I'm not gonna drop you, sweetheart. You can poo and pee on here all you want. Just like that?
Yes. Uh-oh.
The water's a little cold.
Oh, careful. Push him all the way up.
Where's the little...
The soap is up there on the soap thing.
That's not Dove soap.
We were going to use Johnson's, I thought. I can go get the Dove.
Where's the soap?
The Dove?
No, the soap in general. Where?
That, right there.
Oh, that. Okay. You're right, big boy. This is warm water in here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what? That's a sponge? Oh, big boy.
Just don't get his feeling wet.
Poor little boy. Alright. Hey.
Careful with this thingy.
Baby. Oh, James. He's touching the wall with his feet.
Hey.
No, it's not that bad, James.
It's okay. Shh. It's okay.
You're right, big boy.
Okay.
You're right, big boy.
You're doing a good job.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
You have to get you clean, big boy.
It's
You
okay.
have to feed him after this.
Oh, yeah.
You're alright, big boy.
Let's see if this baby.
See what is making? Oh, James. He's too cold.
You're doing
You okay?
good.
You okay, big boy? He's fun. James, you're okay, big boy. You're just fine.